Wait, can you rewind that? There, on the refrigerator glass. At first, it looks like ordinary condensation, but watch where it begins. A round shape forms near the top, then shoulders appear beneath it. It looks like someone is standing inside the case, facing the food. But there is no room between the products and the glass. After watching it again, I remembered an old story about Gaki. They were people whose hunger continued after death. Food could be placed directly in front of them, but they could never swallow it. Some temple stories say they remained beside kitchens and storehouses, staring at meals meant for the living. You could not see them, only the breath they left between themselves and the food. That may explain why the shape never turns toward the camera, it stays facing the shelves, and each time someone removes an item, the fog becomes a little clearer. Not because it wants that food, because every empty space gives it more room to take shape. Look at the bottom of the glass. It has legs now. Wait, I think someone's here.